welcome back to another Awesomeness production, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up MCP. Oh no, oops, that thing was there. If you can see that, I don't know. But what you have to do is go to mcp.ocean-labs.de/index.php/mcp_releases, and that is right here, and probably will be in the description. Why is my mouse spinning? I don't know. Alright, so if you're if the current version of Minecraft is 1.4.7, which is what it is right now, it should be here, and you want to for Minecraft 1.4.7. And yeah, it should be here even if it's not 1.4.7, but if it isn't, it should be. So, whatever. Alright, so you download that, and it'll take you to a MediaFire link, and then you will click download. Okay, that is a pop-up, I think. No. Ah. 1 second. As I suspected, it was a pop-up, and I do not have those viruses on my computer. Yes. Although I might, I don't even know. But not those particular ones. So what you should do is you have your MCP. So you open it. 1 second. Alright. Discard. That was the pop-up. Alright. Yeah. If that pops up for you, then just remember. And this is a .zip file, so you do not need WinRAR if you're on. You do not need WinRAR. It will. What you can do is you just right-click it, and it will say unpack or something like that, and you will be able to do that. But I have WinRAR, and so should you, because it is very useful. But so what you want to do is make a new folder. That's view, not new. I don't know what. Alright. Now we'll call it modding. Okay. No. I have another modding folder, so I will call this YouTube modding. But you can just call it modding. I call it YouTube modding because I have another modding folder because I do mod sometimes. So we'll take this, put it in here, and it should load. Yep. Right, so once it's in here, all you have to do is close this, and then you go and you open your Minecraft. Seems to be taking a bit longer because I am recording. So right, so while that's opening, go into your jars folder, and you should see this. And if you're wanting if you're just here to learn how to set up MCP, and you want to know how to set it up for a server, maybe you want to mod a server, then what you can do is you go to minecraft.net. Right, well that's loading. So if once your Minecraft opens, click force update. And remember, if you have mods installed that you want to keep, then remember to back up your bin folder in your roaming. So I do not have any mods installed, but I do it helps sometimes. So you click OK, and it's downloading, and now you go to, if you're modding the server, click go to the minecraft.net, click download. Then make sure you go to multiplayer server and make sure you download the .jar, the Minecraft_server.jar, because the exe does not work for this circumstance. So make sure you download that. And now I've obviously downloaded this a few times because it says 14. So this is done. So I can close this. Wait. Alright, so close this. Close window. Alright, and now I can go to my bin. And I want to delete this. Yes, actually no. Delete this. Yeah. So you don't do that. So what you want to do is so you clicked on this and it should be highlighted. Then press your control key and then click on resources. Then right click and then copy and then go here into your jars and paste. Now if you wanted to mod the server, drag your Minecraft server into the same jars folder in your modding folder or in your MCP folder. I'll come back when this is done loading because it's taking a while. I'm not quite sure why. So be back. So it has finished going in here, and that Minecraft server, I put it in here too. That's what you should have done too if you were following along. And now what you can do is you go to your folder and everything should be here, and you go and you run the batch file decompile. And don't try and run the .sh file, just the decompile file. Now, this takes quite a while, so I will once again come back when it is finished. Well, it finished. So what it should have done once you've run it is it should go through all this stuff, and then, you know, it should end and it says press any key to continue, and you would press any key to continue, obviously. Or what? Oops, I have to get this out of the background. Alright. Yes. So, but really what decompiling does is it, gets all the class files, and it from your Minecraft, and it puts them into a folder so that Eclipse can get them, which I'll tell you in a few moments how to get that and what it's for, and if you don't already know. And so what it does is it renames all the class files so that it's easier to understand what stuff is. So we'll get a new window here. So it's loading. And now we're gonna get Eclipse. So, excuse me. You can see this down here is what Eclipse is. And here we go. So we go to Eclipse, I think it is, .org. It's loading. And what Eclipse does is it's pretty much a coding software that allows you to code in Java. So, I'm not quite sure any other, if it allows you to code in any other languages, but I know you can code this. So, what you want is this. I think there's multiple types that you can get, but you want Eclipse IDE for Java and DSL developers. So you get this, and 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Yes. So you want to download this, and depending on what Windows version you have, 32-bit or 64-bit, how you can tell is you go and you click control panel. Let's see. Review your computer status. If it would go. And then, let's see. Where is it? Maybe not here. One second while I find this. Actually, you don't even have to go. It's not control panel. You have to go into a computer. Then click System Properties. And when it loads, it shall tell you everything. The meaning of life, you know, just everything. But actually what it will tell you is how much RAM and what system type you have. I have 12 gigs of RAM, which does not really matter at all. But what it'll tell you is your system type, and it'll say 64-bit, which is I have, or 32-bit, and then you'll be good. So yes, and then that's all you need to know. And then you can download your recording clips, which is here. So either one. And when you download it, install it. Just says people do install programs. So, and then you go back here, and what shall happen is you will double click your Eclipse, which will obviously open it. I have it on my taskbar here. It is made by Indigo, as it says, giving credit where credit is due, as people should. Yes, bigger O. Alright, so this was actually coding, but here, let me, so, cancel. Right. What will happen when you open it, it should come up with something like this, except it will do something else. But what you have to do is you have to go to your, if you saved it on your, go to wherever you saved it, click browse, and then find wherever you saved it. I saved it in, it was YouTube, so YouTube modding here. And then what you do is you click Eclipse, and you just click on that, make sure it says folder, it says Eclipse, and then click OK, and and then your workspace should be this, except, your name here, and then YouTube, then modding, there. Then click OK, and it will take you to your workspace. It's restarting because I was already in my workspace, but it's going to go to this workspace, which is opening now. Here we go. And you have okay. And then what you want to do, if you're coding a server, there you go, and you go to met.minecraft.src source, and there's all your stuff. And if you want to code the client, which is the the normal thing that you play on, what you do is you go to the same thing in here, and then this is all of the files. And you have officially set up MCP. Good for you guys. And this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.